How to fix you are not eligible to sign up for Zoom at this time. So if you click sign up and you're facing you are not eligible to sign up for Zoom at this time, be sure that your birth year will make you more than 18 years old. So when you type your birth year, if you're not above 18 years old, then you will not be eligible. So you can type 2001 and then press continue. And then you can continue the rest of the process as usual. Now, if this doesn't work for you, what you can do is you can go ahead and uninstall Zoom and then reinstall it and try this process again. Another thing you can do is long press on Zoom and go to App Info. So go ahead and press Clear Data and clear the cache and then retry again. So that is how to fix you're not eligible to sign up for Zoom at this time.